Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can make a Discord channel read-only. So you can either do that for an existing text channel or create a new one. It doesn't matter, so let me quickly create a new one in my case. So I'll name it, well, let's see, read-only. After that, go into channel permission settings. Obviously, in order to do that, you have to have all the necessary server permissions. So go for the edit channel, then in here, change permissions. Then you can either make it read-only for certain people, depending at the role that they have been assigned with at the server, or you can make it read-only for anybody but you as an owner or admins as well by going into add everyone and disabling send message permission by tapping at the cross sign over here. And now the regular channel members will see this channel is a read-only channel. And let me demonstrate it to you real quick. So if I have another Discord account that is the, well, regular member at this point, not an admin or well, owner obviously, as you can see this channel is read-only on this end. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.